Okay,
Yeah.
A little
okay.
bit. About to go high
I know
speed real
a
quick.
lot of Smash 4 Sheik players dropped her for Wolf, saying he was like a better Sheik.
Uh-oh.
So
I hope that's us lagging, right?
Oh no. Wait, you're lagging?
I'm lagging too.
Ooh, I see it here. Damn, Discord is really already messing up. That's nuts.
Yeah, it's looking pretty.
Looking pretty fresh.
Okay. Let me see what I can do here for y'all. But
Tied
yeah,
up right now. Oh no!
Oh,
I think he's lagging too, bro.
I think everybody might be lagging right now.
that's crazy. This should be good. Let me see. Let me see if I can reset the Discord stream for y'all. Whoa. Maybe if I make it white, that would be better as well. Sorry about the hold up, guys.
Nah, you good, you good.
Discord
Anything is better than that lag before.
Yeah, Discord streaming is welcome to the life, badges.
Oh man,
Alright. I don't know if it's a little bit better.
it's a little bit better.
Okay, gotcha. Alright, so anyways, Wolf and Sheik, two characters, as you said before, who are pretty much like one and the same, have very similar moves, but again, Wolf is pretty much the better Sheik. I don't know if that's there's any objection there.
I would definitely say Wolf is superior, at least in terms of just like trading and getting damage output and all power.
Also kill options too.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely.
So Little Monkey has a slight lead right now.
Looks like they're lagging a little bit too.
I feel like they are too, honestly.
Interesting. Could it be the players?
I think it might actually be them.
Alright.
Little Monkey with the forward smash. Very
And
nice.
nice catch there on the landing. I
Ew.
think I will give Sheik in this matchup though. However, it's just
That little
Going
fastball combo was really nice.
Sheik looking kind of clean. Definitely knows what he's
In
doing.
lag mode.
Lag mode. He's out here fighting. Like, oh, there we go.
Yeah, bro, the lag switch is on deck.
Except all the Pac-Man and his
Ooh,
Sonic.
nice parry through though. I think we had a couple in chat said they're on their way, coming to get us.
Here, the food's charging up now. So we have a fully charged Neo 16.
My man's flashing over here. 138 in a dream.
Ooh,
Oh
ooh.
man, oh man. That read was nice.
It felt like a misinput, but
He did it twice, so I don't know.
I don't know.
all right,
He might have just really wanted that right there.
all right. So
All right,
that'll
now we're looking a little fresh.
Little Monkey, going up.
Taking
1-0.
one right now.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yeah,
we
maybe
can-
B reverse
Ooh, I
blaster.
think
Yeah, you know what? That might have been right. That might have been right.
What?
Might have been a B reverse blaster.
Oh yeah, you're right. That could have been actually. Okay. All right, let's see if Oh, it looks like Goose is gonna be switching characters here. Okay. Honestly, I think Wolf. I think that Wolf can definitely handle Sheik perfectly fine, but
Oh yeah,
seeing how this match is going with like the somewhat lag spikes.
I think there's probably a lag check going on right now.
Let me check. Oh no lag check. All right.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm surprised. All right, I guess we're just gonna keep on going. Honestly,
Let's go.
I never really heard of both these players, so like, oh, he's going Cloud.
Oh, the switch to the Cloud.
Ooh, the
I don't know
cloud
about the
switch.
Definitely think this matchup is in Sheik's favor.
Okay, so you, Kiefer, you're actually a Cloud main, so you would have some knowledge on here.
Oh, you actually have some knowledge on this.
Yes. This matchup, it wasn't too bad for Cloud in Smash 4. I still think it's about the same as Smash 4, honestly.
I'd still
Cloud,
give it to Cloud, honestly.
I would give it to Sheik because Sheik just has the burst option against Cloud, especially off stage.
Interesting.
Yeah. The thing, Cloud can have trouble killing. And, catching that with the F smash stuff.
Ooh, wasn't enough though.
Oh, that was a good catch right there. When the cross slashed on the bouncing fish.
Oh no.
Yeah. That's the thing. Cloud can die at any
That's what
moment.
happens. Yeah.
Any moment. It's
Gotta be careful out there.
A foul matchup. Granted, he can kill Sheik extremely early with his, his moves, because he hits like a truck. You can just kill him at any time.
Ooh.
The climb has that. Oh, whoa. Those strats, man. Show my secrets out here.
I feel like Climb Hazard, like, I don't know if it's like, it has like more priority than I feel like it should. Like, I don't know if that's me,
it's a
like,
great
being
attitude
bad
option.
or like, bro, it definitely is a good option.
Or if Sheik, if the Sheik player is gonna keep landing on his shield with a button, he could just climb hazard out of shield every time at about 14.
Ooh, limit
15.
break, and he's on stage.
Alright.
Ooh, all on shields.
They're lagging pretty bad.
Yeah, they are. I'm surprised they didn't
Oh,
call a
man.
lag check. Alright.
This is crazy.
This is skip by skip. Maybe they're used to it.
Oh wait,
Yeah,
are you?
it's
I
been a
think
real
what
one.
I think what you guys are viewing are different. So far it looks like the character.
Oh no. That's a little unfortunate there. Oh, I thought Lil Monkey was gonna give him the homie stock.
It looked like he was about to.
I was like, no way.
Getting us with the mix-ups.
Oh, Jack
Oh,
combo.
he has a jump. Got back on stage.
Well, mixing them up.
I want to see more from the Cloud players. I just want to see him charge limit. Any time that he has Sheik disadvantage, charge limit every a little bit.
There it is.
Oh, yeah, that F match is definitely gonna take
Limits
that
already,
F match
50.
powerful.
50's not bad.
Oh, not at all. That's just 2 cross slash. I caught him with the limit blade. Okay,
Nice.
nice back air.
Coming in.
Just like that, we're pretty much, easy game. It's like the screen just went black.
Yeah. I think I know what the problem is. Give me 1 second.
Oh, caught him with the back and no jump.
Uh-oh. It's tied up.
Who's that brought this back, man?
Ooh, little early on the fair there. Nice little parry.
Good back air there. Good back air there by Cloud.
Ooh, here we go.
He's trying to get over that F match for you.
Monkey looking to finish it right here, actually, with the 110.
Oh, piled there. You charge a limit.
Oh, that's it.
Caught the roll.
I can't believe he caught him with the roll.
I think he took every stop with F smash.
That's it. That's all you
Definitely
need.
take those.
FF, my friend.
All right, guys.
Fast, man.
I'm gonna restart Discord real quick. I'll be back in like not even half a second.
All right, we'll be back, beautiful people.
Yes, sir. We will be right back. Okay, we are back.
Oh wow, that was super
There we
fast.
go. Yeah. Just wanted to make sure. I think I know why it was lagging before. There are some Discords. I think while I was talking to Discord a few days ago, there were some settings that while we were in discussion, I turned off. So I turned those back on. So hopefully, it'll be okay for you guys now.
We shall see.
We shall see.
Yeah, that was kinda crazy.
Going through a game 3, that Cloud switch proved to be clutch.
Did bring him down to 1 stock though.
Okay, there we go. Now it's smooth for you guys, right?
Oh, that's looking crisp.
Okay.
Oh, that's looking crisp.
That's looking really quick.
How'd
But the
you do
lobby
that?
Lobby was looking clean before. It was the actual when the set had
Oh
started.
yeah,
that's
what's the
when it
game?
started
Yeah, as
lagging.
soon as it said 3, I was getting brawl flashbacks.
For real.
All right, I'm gonna watch the stream with you guys. See, hopefully
We
everything
got to
runs well.
switch to the Diddy, man. These guys
To
are
switch to
just
Diddy.
counterfeiting.
Oh man, dude, that's rough for Cloud right there now.
Okay, I can definitely tell
Oop,
you.
there it
that
is.
we
It's
need
going
to
a little
back
bit.
up.
I think that's the
There.
players, honestly.
Okay.
Ooh, nice banana
Honestly,
grab.
now it's the players.
Okay, there we go. Does it look good for you guys now?
It's a little better, but like I said, I think it's mostly the players.
Okay.
DK getting real handsy over here. Blocks the cross slash. Gets a little monkey flip.
Again, I just want to see the Cloud
Guys
player.
get nothing to hit right now.
Limit more.
So yo, as a Cloud player, what would you do as DK or versus a Diddy?
Versus a Diddy, I definitely focus on grabbing more. Because the thing with Diddy, he's really hard to hit. Back air and stuff like that, and Cloud's normals. So I would just try and position him the shield and then grab him off stage for an edge guard situation or just hard limit.
So pretty much like respect the Diddy's approach, pretty much, and then counteract from there. All right, that makes sense actually. That's actually really smart because you already know the DK's probably gonna want to come in on you anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
That makes a lot of sense.
He's definitely gonna want to try and get you off stage.
Yep. Oh
there
yeah, you definitely don't want to be off stage as Cloud.
He actually has a lot of options on edge guard and Cloud, and he also has a lot of options on ledge get up. Cloud's ledge get up move is not the greatest, and Diddy I think has some of the best ledge.
Oh no!
No!
Into it. Oh, hit him with the rocket. All tied up. That's fine. Fair trades. Besides, before that,
sometimes you walk by lag.
For real. Before that, Little Monkey, just realizing his name was Little Monkey, now playing Diddy, was winning trades too, really well. Almost every trade, honestly.
Oh, Monkey actually is playing like a very solid evasive game, as Diddy, should in this matchup.
Oh yeah, for sure.
The screen went black again.
Yeah, I changed the settings around for you guys.
Oh, it's looking kind of.
Now it looks, does it,
right now.
does it look good now?
Looking a little clean, yeah.
All right, there we go.
Double cross slash hit? Oh, he missed that one.
Oh, it's looking nice now.
Now I found it. All right, cool.
Oh yeah, it's looking a lot better.
There we go.
How about you?
Nice up.
Nice.
Nice up.
Yeah, a lot better.
All right. Sick.
Oh look, it looks like it sounds like he's listening. Gets the shield. The banana trip though. Oh, there you go.
I actually
Hit him
am a
with the
big fan of
beams.
Blade being in this matchup.
Oh yeah, for
Definitely,
sure.
like, stalls out the approach option from Diddy.
Make your own little zone, you know.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
Uh-oh, scary games for Cloud. He makes it back easily though.
Okay, we know what the Diddy player wants. He wants it.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, try to force him in.
Oh, nice snare.
A little early on the forward smash. 118 though. They could get a decent reset, but the banana plays. Ooh, quick 40. Sorry, quick 60.
Hit him up right now.
The monkey's starting to feel himself. Oh, ran into it again.
Oven, are you messing with the screen again?
No.
Oh, because it just went black.
Oh, what? I wasn't messing with that. Let me know if it comes back. Is it back for you guys?
That's still black.
Oh, it's tied up.
Oh, you would use.
Actually, no, Cloud. It's a little laggy.
What the hell? Is Discord fucking up today? That should be fine. After this set, guys, restart your Discords and let me know if it's there, right?
Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah. That is.
So I'm gonna have to
with
commentate this by
slightly-
sound then.
Hitting onto the shield.
I hear the monkey flip. Hey, I'm playing this by sound now.
148 right now for Cloud.
Yeah, so he's a kill option for a lot of things by Diddy. Wonder if up tilt from Diddy would probably kill.
Oh, I think that was it right there.
Smash.
I think that was the up smash right there for the finish.
All right. So
Let's go.
despite the problems, Lil Monkey takes it 2-1. He's gonna be moving on. All right.
Moving on to play Nintendo and beat him.
Oh
Got the
man.
cloud. He's got the cloud download now.
Oh my god. We've been having Glenn on the stream constantly for the past 2 weeks, and we've wanted
Can we
him.
please get his match on deck?
We might. We've been really good at having his matches on stream all the time for the past like 3
It
tournaments.
should be a rule. be a rule in the Smash book that you have to stream a gun match at least once every
For
tournament.
real. All right, guys, both start your restart your discords, and then you can just come back into this chat immediately. Okay.
I just restarted and came back.
Okay.
What am I doing? Just hitting the stop watching?
No. So you're on desktop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to go to the bottom right of your computer. You know, click that arrow, and then right-click on Discord, on the little icon for Discord, and click Quit, and then come back in. If that made sense. Badges. Hello.
All right, I'm here.
All right, I know Huey's here. Did you listen? Did you hear what I said?
I'm looking at the bottom corner. I don't.
Like, you know how you exit out of programs that are like messing up? You just like right-click on them on the little icon. You know where it says like, oh, here's your sound settings, here's your Ethernet settings, little tiny icons on the bottom right of the desktop.
Yeah. Okay, I see it.
Yeah. If you find your Discord icon, just right-click on it and then click Quit Discord. And
You definitely need to come down and check out the Tri-State weeklies, guys, for sure.
Yep.
There's definitely, if you talk to the bot, there's probably definitely links for Fusion, and it's the same offline too. So
But I just
be sure to join the Tri-State Discord for more information for Fusion and more events.
Yep. So the next match, actually, I think I know why it may be lagging for you guys. I'm gonna be right back, okay? Wait, actually.
I think so.
Okay, you guys hear me now?
Yep.
Okay,
I can hear you.
I'm gonna restart stream again. Hopefully this
I
time.
hear you, I see you, or I don't see you.
Okay, I am live now.
All right, I got this. I got the next match coming to the screen in front of me.
Okay, so the next match is actually going to be Pharaoh versus Daffo.
Okay.
So let's get that set up, and I'll let players know when to start.